was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh